In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows Update error 0x80072ee7 in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So the first solution that you can do in your computer is that you need to run the troubleshoot for Windows Update. How we can do that? You need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. Here at the settings window, you need to find for the option called system. Click on that one. And under the system, you'll find a list. You need to scroll down here on the list and proceed to troubleshoot. So afterwards, you'll see these three options. Please proceed to other troubleshooters. And there you can see Windows Update. Click on run. So you need to run the troubleshooter for the Windows Update and it will take some time, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Please wait until it would be done. And once you are done, I would suggest to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to navigate to the second solution. The second solution would be you need to restart the Windows Update service. How we can do that? You need to press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open the small window called Run. So here, please type for services.msc and please click on the OK button to proceed. Now, under the services, you need to select any of the service here and then type W in your keyboard so that you would be easily navigated to the service starting or which has an initial for letter W. So by that, you need to select it and then use your down arrow key and then locate for the Windows Update. Now, the moment you have find this Windows Update, you need to make a right click, click on this properties, and you would be able to open the Windows Update properties in the small window. Please proceed to the startup type under General, then click on this down arrow key and set it into automatic. Once you've set it, please click on Start to ensure the service status is running. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Once you are done, you need to navigate to the left side. At the upper left side of the screen, you can see the Restart the Service. Please click on that one. Once you click on it, you can now start the procedure of restarting the Windows Update. Please wait until this would be finished. Once done, try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the third and last solution. So the last solution that you can do is that you need to navigate here at the search box and type for the WS reset. Once you've typed it, you need to wait until you can see a best matched here in this window before we continue. So here, we need to wait until we can see the run command, which is the WS reset. However, if not, then you need to type that in lowercase because I have typed it accidentally in uppercase. So let me just clear this one and let me just type again for WS reset here. So by that, please wait again until you can see this command, okay, which is the WS reset. So you'll see this WS reset run command. Please click on this forward arrow key here and then you would be able to see this open. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you need to wait until it would be opened and then you need to check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? So those are the last solution. Those are the solutions on how to fix the problem. If those steps or if one of those steps that help you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.